My first resource that I am going to show today is Spelling City. And Spelling City has been introduced to me, but I have not ever used it before in a classroom. So, Spelling City has multiple different tools which are wonderful for helping students learn how to spell. So, if I go ahead and click on Sound It Out, okay, this is one of the games. It will open up the game for the student.
Are you ready to sound it out? Decide how you want to play. Sound it out with cat and mouse. Classic sound it out.
So you can select either option. I'm just going to do Classic Sound It Out.
Welcome to Classic Sound It Out. Click the sound blocks in the right order to spell your word correctly.
Bag. B.
Good.
A.
Good.
Bag. B. A. G. Bag.
Using this tool, students are able to play different games and learn to spell their words. Now, there are also options in which you can create a spelling test for your
Get ready
students.
for the test. Don't pick up your list. Begin.
Bag.
I put my sandwich in a paper lunch bag.
So there are these types. There are also teaching resources. So you can create word lists and lessons for your students. After you create your word list, then you can make sample games. So you make your list, and then you move on and choose your activity. Your students can log in and play that activity that you have created. This resource is free, but there are also paid memberships that go along with it. So as a teacher, you could pick your own membership that you'd like to have for the classroom. But overall, just as a regular use, you can use this for free in your classroom.